Hi friends, today I am going to read and give you a new essay on A Friend in Need is a Friend Indeed. If you want the notes, you can check the description box, and for more such videos, subscribe my channel and like my videos, and don't forget to comment. So let's start. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend is a person whom one likes a lot and who is not a part of one's family. A friend in need is a friend indeed is a phrase that describes the most important characteristic of a true friend. Most noteworthy, the phrase means that a true friend is one of who helps someone at a time of need. Such a friend is certainly a precious asset in an individual's life. Importance of a friend in need. First of all, a friend in need helps one feel less lonely. Moreover, in this day and age, people can easily feel detached and lonely. Consequently, this causes anxiety and depression to develop in a person. A helpful friend certainly eliminates feelings of loneliness. This is because such a friend reflects life back and all the things one has in common. A friend in need is someone who improves and builds self-confidence in his friend. Most noteworthy, an individual's number one friend is his friend in need. Furthermore, such a friend would tell how great he feels about you. Moreover, such a friend would tell you all your positive aspects. Consequently, this significantly increases an individual's self-confidence. A friend in need is someone who provides a reality check for you. Such a friend, besides telling positive things, is not afraid to explain an individual's shortcomings. This certainly helps an individual in overcoming his weakness. Hence, a true friend would pull you back down to earth. A friend in need is certainly a supporter of your dreams and aspirations. Furthermore, a true friend would always believe in you. Moreover, such a friend does not discourage you from your ambitions. Most noteworthy, such a friend believes in the efforts of his friend and supports him in every manner. Loyalty is another important benefit of a friend in need. Such a friend is truly an unyielding friend. This true friend would stand by you in any situation or circumstance. Certainly, a friend in need is not a backstabber or the one who betrays. How to be a friend in need? First of all, you should express yourself as a safe place for your friend. Most noteworthy, present yourself as a trustworthy individual so that your friend can confide in you. Being a careful listener is another notable characteristic of a friend in need. Moreover, you should carefully listen to each and every word your friend says. Most noteworthy, one must memorize what one's friend says, especially if it's something important. In order to be a friend in need, one must show proper respect for their friend. Above all, one must respect and honor what one's friend says or does. One must certainly not disrespect their friend's point of view. A true friend must provide non-judgmental perspective. Therefore, you should help your friend to see all sides of each issue. A true friend must help one make use of logical decisions rather than emotional ones. In conclusion, a friend in need is a friend indeed is a saying which describes a real friend. Furthermore, the true test of a friendship is during times of difficulties. Most noteworthy, the friend who offers genuine help during troublesome period passes this test. Such a friend is a resilient, firm, and fierce friend. Thank you. I hope you all have your best friends. So comment your best friends in this video comment section. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more.